Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one video per day informing you about what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on our videos so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Maithari. Kevin O'Leary predicts trillions of dollars will flood into crypto, says Bitcoin mining will save the world. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful, has predicted that trillions of dollars will flow into cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. In addition, he said Bitcoin mining will save the world. O'Leary says spigots of capital will flood into crypto like you have never seen. Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary gave a keynote speech at the Bitcoin 2022 conference Thursday. He said that based on his experience in the indexing business, massive pools of capital, these trillion-dollar pools are waiting for policy. They currently own zero or very little crypto. It's the purvey of high net worth individuals, hedge funds, and retail investors, he clarified. Mr. Wonderful detailed. What we're missing is policy. When we get policy and the regulator regulates, that's not a negative thing. The spigots of capital are going to flood into this sector as you have never seen. So for those of us that can invest in it now, you are going to get ahead of what's going to be a huge wave of interest when policy occurs, he added. O'Leary continued. I predict in the next 10 years that crypto, blockchain, and Bitcoin, all of this innovation, will be the 12th sector of the S&P. Why Bitcoin mining is going to save the world. The Shark Tank star also discussed why Bitcoin mining is going to save the world. He explained, why is Bitcoin mining good for the earth? Because the next generation of Bitcoin miners are starting to work with energy that does not require carbon, hydroelectricity, and nuclear power, wind and solar. Mr. Wonderful continued, the drive to produce Bitcoin is so economic in value that they will go ahead and fund the next generation of machines and turbines. 90% of dams built in America in the last 100 years contemplated hydroelectricity but never installed the turbines. He exclaimed, I will install the turbines. Why? Because it's great economics if I can use that and not be hassled by a carbon audit. Noting that it provides for communities, it provides extra power, the Shark Tank star opined. This is the future of Bitcoin mining. We will be developing power for all communities while we mine the coin in an ethical and 100% green mandate that we can do with hydroelectricity. Regulation will help Bitcoin rise in value. O'Leary further said, the beautiful strategy here is when we get policy. When we make Bitcoin an allocation for institutions, which they do not have yet, what I predict will happen, they will put between 50 basis points to 300 basis points into their portfolios. He concluded. How much money is that? Trillions of dollars. So if you want to see Bitcoin appreciate in value, if you are an advocate like I am, you want regulation, and you stand back and watch the capital pour into this. What do you think about Kevin O'Leary's comments? Let us know in the comments section below. Ethereum's hash rate taps an all-time high as miners race to mint ETH before the merge. While the Ethereum community is getting prepared for the merge and the protocol's transition to a full proof-of-stake POS system, the network's hash rate reached an all-time high, ATH, on 7th April 2022. On Thursday, Ethereum's hash rate reached a high of 1.131 petahash per second, PHS, jumping 13% in 89 days. Ethereum's hash rate climbs 13% higher since the first week of January. The Ethereum blockchain is expected to transition into a full proof-of-stake POS network this year via the merge. It's unclear how smoothly that transition will go, and for now, Ethereum, miners are minting blocks as fast as they can. The 3-month hash rate chart via Coinvoice.com shows that Ethereum's hash rate captured a high of 1.131 petahash per second (PHS) on 7th April 2022. On 9th January 2022, Ethereum's network hash rate rose above the 1.032 PHS zones. This means over 2 months, after reaching a single petahash, the network has seen a 13% increase in hash power. Ethereum's hash rate has grown exponentially since 21st March 2016. On that day, the hash rate was roughly 1.51 terahash per second, ETH, or 1,510 billion hashes per second, HS. Today's Ethereum hash rate at 1.131 PHS, or 1,131,000,000,000,000 HS, is 74,800% higher than it was 6 years ago. In recent times, Ethereum's daily mining rewards have outpaced Bitcoin's 24-hour mining rewards as well. On 9th April 2022, Ethereum's daily mining revenue of $88.8 million is 16% more than Bitcoin's $76.4 million in daily rewards. Ethermine. Org Command's top pool position. InnoSilicon's A11 is top Ether mining rig. On Saturday morning, the mining pool Ethermine. Org is the network's top mining operation with 281.9 ETH of hash power. F2 pool is the second largest Ethereum mining pool with 146.15 ETH and is followed by Poolin's hash rate of 114.33 ETH. The top 3 Ethereum mining pools are followed by Hivon, 2 miners, Flex Pool, and Pool, Nanopool, Mining Pool Hub, and Isil, respectively. The top Ether mining operation Ethermine. Org commands 24.87% of the network's hash rate, capturing 290 blocks of the last 1,000 ETH blocks found. The top mining rig this weekend in terms of profit is the InnoSilicon 11 Pro ETH miner with 1,500 mega hash per second, MHS, or 1.5 gigahash per second, GHS. The 11 Pro, using current Ether exchange rates and 12 cents per kilowatt-hour of electricity, will produce $69.32 per day in profits. Meanwhile, the InnoSilicon 10 Pro Plus ETH miner with 750 MHS can get around $34.15 per day in Ether profits. Rumor has it that Bitmain will launch an ETH miner called the E9 with 3 GHS in power. However, E9 rumors have been discussed for a long time and the alleged machine has not seen the light of day. If it were to exist, the 3 GHS of ETH hash power would produce $144.81 per day in profits. What do you think about Ethereum's hash rate tapping an all-time high as miners race to find blocks before the merge takes place? Let us know what you think about this subject in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!